Whew, morning. I tell you what, it's a frost on the ground here. We are mid-April. Yeah, unexpected. Right, what I'm doing today is I'm shoehorning in an unexpected early start. Now, I do the windows regularly on this village hall, and the guys want the solar panels behind me washed down. Now, they're not too bad, but there's quite a few of them. So what I'm going to do is spray them up with my solar panel cleaner. I'll show you what I use. I'll get this from Amazon, the solar panel cleaner. There, that's the one I use. Seems to work a treat, and it gets the lichen off, that's the biggie with solar panels. If they're left for any period of time, lichen builds up. So let's get this sprayed up, then we start washing. Right, let's get this first bit washed up now. I always like to use the 45-foot pole wherever possible on solar cleans, because you can get a greater downward pressure, downward force on the brush head due to the weight and the flex of the pole where it's long. So it gives you a better downward pressure on the panel, cleans them better. And also on my 45, I've got a right-angled gooseneck, so I don't have to adjust it like on the 30. It's forced down onto the panels, so you get all the bristles onto the surface area of the panels. So let's get cracking, shall we? And what's so fantastic about this job is it was so unexpected being asked to do the panels. And I looked at it and I saw the opportunity, and I thought, you know what, I can wind in a 6 a.m. start with this. So the edge, all important, getting the edge on the day. And where there's so many of these, when they're washed up and the sun shines on them, they're going to look fantastic. It's going to look like 3 huge black shiny mirrors. I love it, don't I? I actually do. I can't believe it. I think it's actually freezing on these panels. I've never had that before, particularly this time of year. I can't wait for the sun to come up. Just check the brush head then. Make sure it's not frozen in the brush head. God, that would be pissing me off if it was. See how easy this is with the weight of the 45-foot pole. Oh, I'm starting nearly dribbled then. You can see how much easier this is with the weight of the 45-foot pole on the brush head. Yeah, I'm pleased with this. That's coming up lovely. If the sun don't come up soon, I might have to put my winter gloves back on. Good rinse. That magic water do its stuff. Fantastic. I'll pop back and see you when it's all finished. Right, there's that section done. Well, it's a whole lot warmer now. There's that section done. Shiny as you like now. Now round it, and I'm on the final section. So there you go, that's 4 hours 45 minutes. Those 3 banks of solar panels and the windows and fronts, £410.